everybody, this is CHEWY from Off-Leash K9 Training, Clarksville and Nashville, Tennessee. Here we have Copper. Copper comes here for our 3-week aggressive board and train. Copper has some serious aggression towards other dogs. Seen it firsthand when he was here for a consultation. Mom has had incidents at her apartment where Copper actually got to a dog and bit it. So we're gonna try to teach her how to manage it and get it under control so Copper can live that great life. But right now what we're gonna go over is just Copper's obedience. Bud, can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. No? Can you down? No, thank you for the kisses. That was a very good kiss. Can you come here and place? Hey, can you come place? You get this thing? No. So as you can see, kind of just checking out our area, probably knows these commands when he's with mom. Just right now, there's a lot of information going on. There's actually a dog in a kennel. It's kind of just super hyper focused on that right now. But check back in these 3 short weeks and see how this dude does. Great job. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Lay off in the tall grass so my views are stars. I think about nothing, get to clear my thoughts from all the thunder and lightning, so I feel a spark. Sometimes I get higher than the Colorado Rockies, hoping that the county sheriff don't stop me. Like Charlie Daniels said, you shouldn't smoke at dope, but damn it, I can't help I love Rolling Stone. With the windows rolled down and the radio up, sweet tea pulling my soul up. Listen to the humming of the 44, sounding like a concert. I'm a beat up door, arm hanging out the window, smiling away, smoking on some grown where the cattle graze. Charlie Daniels said you shouldn't go and smoke at dope. Hell, I can't help, I love Rolling Stone. Yeah, I love Rolling Stone. Stage for a Leonard Skinner song, hanging out with Mary Jane, but she's making the time go slow. Making memories with my buddies through the thick green smoke, puff passing out the windows of my old Tahoe. Lifted so damn high I can't come down, still driving under speed limits in my town. With the windows rolled down, the radio up, sweet tea full in our solo cups, listening to the humming of the 44s, like a concert out my beat up door. Arm hanging out the window, smiling away, smoking on some grown where the cattle graze. Charlie Daniels said you shouldn't go and smoke at dope. Hell, I can't help, I love Rolling Stone. Yeah, I love Rolling Stone. I know Jesus drank wine, but I bet he wouldn't mind sitting with me in my Chevy, pass around a few times. With the windows rolled down, the radio up, sweet tea full in our solo cups, listening to the humming of the 44s, like a concert out my beat up door. Arm hanging out the window, smiling away, smoking on some grown where the cattle graze. Oh, Willie said there's not nothing wrong with smoking dope. So light one up and let's go Rolling Stone. So pass me that and let's start Rolling Stone. where blackberry bushes grow thick, with feet like the soul of a working man's boot, and a head like a weight made of lead. Crooked green thorns sticking out my shoulder, hair too damn long, oh well. They tell me take a break, I'm sorry I can't. Tennesseans make music year-round. I can't help it. God put me in a place so green, even the tractors got the same damn color paint. Same old rivers and same old streams. Cut that exhaust off, son, let it scream. God bless the South, I've never shut my mouth, and I'm proud to be from Tennessee. Tennessee, I'm proud to be from Tennessee. My favorite shirt has the arms cut out with a couple old tobacco stains. I burn up every Kenny Chesney album, drinking Coors Light, getting sunburnt on a lake.